Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to talk about a legend. So a legend that comes all the way from Southeast Asia. It comes actually precisely from Australia. So during the 80s and the 90s, the Americans and the Australians gave us extreme battles, and now we are going to discover who this actual legend really is. And this comes directly from the era of the gods, the guys that were all about excitement and drifting and sideway actions. And here we have it from Wayne Gardner. So Wayne Gardner, probably now the MotoGP fans out there, they recognize the name of Remy Gardner, who is actually the son of Wayne Gardner that is now racing in the Moto 2 class, and perhaps we're gonna see him soon in the MotoGP class. But nevertheless, here we have it, a striking shoey helmet directly from the 80s. Wayne Gardner, he actually snapped the world title of the 500cc class on the Honda, and during the season of 1987. The first win actually is dated only in 86 at the Spanish Grand Prix, and he then went on to become super famous in Australia, and he is part of the Hall of Fame, and he is one of the riders that obviously everybody acclaims as one of the greatest of all times, despite he has only won one title. So here we have it. This is directly, as I was saying, from the 80s, so it's very heavy, and obviously this is a helmet only for collection, so I would never wear it. It's the wear and tear on the inside is actually not too bad, and also on the outside the cosmetics is still in okay conditions, a few scratches here and there, but what can you do? This is a helmet that is over 20-30 years old, so you cannot really expect to have a mint helmet. Considering the age, it's still in pretty good shape. The graphic is spectacular, very much reminiscence of the Honda colors, the white, blue and the red with some gold stripes. I really like the graphics, and I find extremely cool the fact that you can have here the air fence. Not really much air, let's be honest, that would come in and out from here, but still, nevertheless, just a hole put there. So extremely outdated compared to the very fancy ventilation systems that we have nowadays. But here we have it, guys. It also comes with the ventilations on the back. So very interesting helmet, especially for the collectors that really love to look back at the technology of the time, the lack of technology of the time, and the style. So the style is very basic, but at the same time is quite stylish in my opinion, especially if you are a Honda fan and if you are an Australian motorcycle heritage fan. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.